Welcome to Sketcher Zone 1. Monthly video. July 2025. A site where transformation happens and progress never slows. This is your monthly update for July 2025. Let's dive into the key achievements that are shaping the future. Excavation and transportation. Excavation. All excavation activities for remediation purposes have been completed. A cumulative total of 3,100,000 tons of contaminated soil has been excavated as of July 2025. Transportation. All excavated soil has been successfully transported to the treatment center. A total of 3,430,000 tons has been transported to date. Treatment area. Screening, pulverizing, and placing. All soil in TPH bands 1% to 5% and 5% to 7% has been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads. Soil in the 7% to 10% band has been fully screened and pulverized. Cumulatively, 3,295,000 tons of soil have been screened, pulverized, and placed. Remediation progress. 46 batches, approximate 414,000 tons, were treated with tilling, irrigation, inoculum, and surfactant. "51 soil samples were collected, 33 IPT and 18 VT samples. A 90,000 tons achieved RDC this month through bioremediation. Soil washing plant. 30 batches placed for treatment. Two of which used a train of technologies. 14,250 tons achieved RDC in July. A total of 2,835,000 tons of soil have been fully remediated up to July 2025. 2,670,000 tons through bioremediation. 165,000 tons through soil washing. Landfill. Spreading of gravel for erosion protection layer for the outer slope of the bundwall work is in progress. $839,300 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by Lamor with a total of 19,075 trips. $904,412 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill by HISCO with a total of 19,090 trips. total of 1,743,712 tons of highly contaminated soil have been transported and unloaded at the landfill, with a total of 38,165 trips. Every number tells a story of dedication and impact. As July comes to an end, Skechers Zone 1 continues to lead with purpose, transforming contaminated land into opportunity and paving the way for a cleaner, safer Kuwait. Stay tuned for more milestones next month.